An example, so we call that rectangle is what do we do? So what's the question? The question is that how much should be your marketing budget, for example, and what are the um, uh, what is not known as of moment, that how much you will capture in the market, what market share you would end up capturing if you invest this much in the marketing budget, right? So the end goal is profit. What is how and also, is it promising? How does it look like how much profit that you would be able to make it? And rounded triangle is the unit sales. Okay, so that's a linear function, which is a linear function that, okay, it can be understood if you sell X amount and if you sell 2X amount, so it's understood that you will multiply by the unit rate. Okay, so you can predict actually the sales. Okay, an important aspect of influence diagram is that whenever you are an element in the influence diagram is uncertain as a result of existence of individual project risk or other sources of uncertainty, this can be represented in the influence diagram using ranges and probability distribution. So so if there is an element of uncertainty or there is a risk, then you can consider that how much uncertainty is that the risk may happen or may not happen. There could be a probability. Okay, there could be probability between 0% to 99%. So let's say an example that you are deciding between taking an umbrella when you are going out, or you do not take an umbrella while going out. So what could be then an outcome? An outcome would be that there would be sunshine outside or there could be rain outside. So if you took umbrella, it could happen that there is sunshine, and if you didn't take umbrella, it could happen that there is a rain. I mean, if you took umbrella, it could happen that there is a sunshine and instead there could be a rain. And if you didn't take umbrella, then also both scenarios are there. There could be sunshine and there could be rain. Okay. So what could be the consequence if you took umbrella and there was a sunshine? So the consequence will be that your clothes will stay dry. But what about rain? If there was a rain, but you took umbrella, then same consequences will be that your clothes will be dry. But if you didn't take umbrella while going outside and there is sunshine, nothing happens, your clothes will be completely dry. But if there is a rain, then you will end up in a wet clothes.